Hey you guys, I'm Jay. I'm Alicia. Yeah, we're our Simple Adventures, and we are at Discount Tire getting some. You guys know we're getting the Prowler ready to get back on the road here a little bit. Be right back.
My apartment is a mess. There's no room for happiness.
Yeah, so far we've had the wheel bearings done. We had the brakes checked. These tires are 10 years old, which we did not. Well, yeah, I knew they were old, but these guys identified 2016. You don't mind being on camera a little bit here and there, do you?
I don't care. It's fine with me.
Be on the channel here in a couple weeks. But I always come to Discount Tire. They've always given me really good service. These tires don't look bad, but they're 10 years old. So we're going to get them done before we get on the road. Go down. Fuck.
Hey, you have a YouTube channel?
What's that?
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I'll subscribe.
Okay, yeah.
What is it?
All right.
Simple Adventures?
You're going to be on it, yeah? But, anyway. Yeah, they found a broken shackle. Let's see which one it was here for a new one. See a freaking moron coming in here hot to get his tire pressure checked. All right, where is it? Oh, there we go. Right there. There's a new one. I'll show you a picture of the old one right here. See, that's cracked there. That's almost cracked all the way through. So, yeah, so just give a little update. By the way, Lisa's inside in the air conditioning. It is 9:30 and 96 degrees right now. It's supposed to be 108 today. This is Monday, August 4th, 2025. We're going to be trying to get out of here this fall. Once this is all done. We're pretty much done inside. No, well, I should say next week we wanted to get tires, wheel bearings, and everything else checked, brakes. But we're gonna go up the hill a little bit from Phoenix. A little cooler weather here next week, hopefully, and plug everything in. Make sure everything is working before we get back on the road. Air conditioner, of course. Microwave, fridge, everything. And might as well take a look at the. Yeah, we just had these into, like I said, new bearing caps. So we know they did that. And we were very happy with the place up in Carefree Highway and 7th Street in North Phoenix, if you know where that is. Desert Hills area. A place called Copper State Trailer Works. Okay, guys, we got the new Heartland 225/17 R15 Load Range E, which the previous owner had Load Range D, which that wasn't enough. Load Range D, for those of you that don't know, is load range D is 2,500 pounds of load per tire. Well, the trailer is rated for 10.7, so 2,500 per tire would be 10,000 pounds, and we are max weight when we were out and about. So we got the E's which is, and it says right on here, max load 2830. So that's going to put us over 11,000 pounds. Max, weight for the RV. Perfect. Well, now, before we wrap it up here, I don't remember when we had the water leak here at the RV park, and the dude fixed the water leak and then did a bunch of tape, and well, that tape's coming off. So I'm going to get under there and cut that duct tape and see what I need to do to make sure nothing comes apart under there. Okay, we got the tires. Now what? Now what?
I don't know.
Now we can roll.
All right.
We can roll wherever we want to go.
Roll.
That's right. Boy, I'll tell you what, that was that psycho that. What you guys think of that? Leave it in the comments section. That psycho that come rushing in here, 100 mile an hour, and I just went like this, and anyway, hopefully he's watching this. He's probably got warrants. If anybody knows who he is, identify him. Anyway, love you guys. You never know what you're going to see in our simple adventures. We will see you
Next adventure.
soon, hopefully. Bye-bye.